Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. Happy Tuesday to you guys. April 12th, 2011. Here's your live trading recap. We had another one of those great days in our live trading this morning, ladies and gents, right? Just like yesterday, we played this market perfectly today. We knew exactly what to expect. This time, it was the complete opposite of Monday. Monday, we knew we had to wait until late in the morning for the golden lunch. Well, today, we knew the golden lunch wouldn't be here. We knew it would be the opposite. So today, our trades were weighted towards the earlier part of the morning because we knew we had news in the afternoon. So welcome aboard, Tuesday morning, right? What do we know? 8:30 news this morning. What happened today? We had news at 8:30 and, of course, news at 2 o'clock. Now, what that told us today was 8:30 news, we're probably going to see some action around 8:30. Didn't really get much at 8:30, but we got it going at 9 o'clock. But we knew because at 8:30 news was there, we knew we'd see some action early this morning. Then, the 2 o'clock news today, and this isn't just any 2 o'clock news, this is the Treasury budget statement, all right? As you can imagine, a lot of people will be curious to see what the budget looks like for the Treasury this year. So a lot of money managers, a lot of big money, a lot of big traders out there waiting for 2 o'clock. So that tells me, again, the exact opposite from Monday. Expect early price action to be good, and then look for the price action to slow down late in the morning. So we knew, get your trades in early, take your money, and get out right before it gets too late this morning. Now, gold was real sloppy. We had the dollar going sideways as well. Then it dropped. When the dollar dropped, gold popped up. Tried to trade the dollar with the gold correlation, but it was real slow. Took a sloppy breaker pattern long on gold today. First trade of the day at 9 o'clock. It was a 20-tick winner, but that was all we had on gold. So we had one move on gold. Gold later on dropped back down, but it was late in the morning and it was real sloppy. Plus, we had already made 250 some odd ticks on crude by then, so it didn't make any sense to go forcing the trade. So we stayed away from gold other than the first couple minutes of the day here before crude got going. And boy, we saw crude this morning. What did you see on crude today? One of our favorite patterns, right? The price wedge. We talked about this in our morning prep today. Now, if you missed the morning prep this morning, you really missed a lot because the morning prep told me pretty much exactly what to be doing today. So we see a wedge on crude at the highs of the wedge. Obviously, I want to sell the highs of the wedge, and we got a really good clue. We were reading tape at about 9:15, 9:30, and we got a great clue from the market. We saw what looked to be like a two-step reversal going higher, and they failed. Buyers failed. And remember, sometimes a failure is just as important as a confirmation. So I saw the buyers fail at the highs of the wedge. Speed picked up after 9 o'clock open. Wave pattern short. Took your profit at the major support. Back again. Wave again. Wave again. We took 4 wave patterns all the way down on crude today. Right here. Top of my wedge. This was actually a sideways range that we had defined. We were at the lows of this sideways range, but at the highs of the wedge. So I said, all right, let's try to buy these lows, right? Buy the lows right here. But before I did that, I read tape. And what did the tape tell me? The buyers failed. Now, what does that mean? What does that mean the buyers failed? Well, what it means is that when I read my tape and I looked at the 109.40, I saw 2 things. I saw very few big buyers, and I saw speed decreasing. So when I see speed decrease and fewer big buyers, that tells me there are fewer buyers who want to push price up.